Hello everyone, it's Saturday and today we're just chilling. I'm going to Korea in a couple days and this is basically my everyday outfit look. I'm waiting for my boba to come and I'm gonna drink this thing and I'm so excited to drink it because we're getting the OG rabbit candy milk tea drink. I get here with me, my love. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hoodie in this 80-degree weather, it's because I have really bad sensitivities. Is that even a word? I have really bad temperature, heat, whatever. Yeah, so I can't stand the cold. And in Indonesia it's super hot, but I'm always freezing cold for some reason. But here I got, okay, please don't mind my hair, I know it looks super ugly right now, but I got, so this is the White Rabbit candy milk tea. I'm so excited. I haven't had a White Rabbit candy in forever, and if you guys grew up eating it, you know how good our childhood were, I think. I don't know. We'll see how this tastes. I think they just slapped this part of the White Rabbit candy in the back of your, oh my god, there's my hair on there. They taped it so it's like secure, but I would give it a 10 for effort. This one's creamy, but they have another option which is light, but I think this one is like their best-selling one, so I wanted to see how this tastes, if it's really up to my standard or if it's really similar to the actual White Rabbit candy. That would be so cool. And my sister Michelle got this boring fruity. Just kidding, it's not boring. Of truth. I don't know. The boba's definitely chewy, but the White Rabbit milk tea, like the White Rabbit flavor, is really subtle. I guess it's good because it's not like too overpowering and it's not like bleh, you know what I mean? I like it. As a person who has lactose intolerance, would you get this again? You would not. Why not? It tastes like milk, but yeah, it tastes just like milk and a hint, like a hint of the candy. Interesting experience. I can see people actually getting it. Yeah, it's not too milky. But I wouldn't. I don't know. People were like raging about it though. Raging.